p.m. on April 27th, 2024 at 205 South CM Allen Parkway in San Marcos, Texas. Last seen wearing a black shirt with legend since April 2021 on it. Black shorts, blue and white Jordans. Police are looking for Joey Torres, 46 years old, Hispanic, male, 5 feet 10 inches, Public Safety, black hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a black shirt, shorts, and red and white Jordans in connection with their abduction. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the San Marcos Police Department at 512-753-2108.
Allen Parkway in San Marcos, Texas. Last seen wearing a black shirt with legend since April 2021 on it. Black shorts, blue and white Jordans. Police are looking for Joey Torres, 46 years old, Hispanic, male, 5 feet 10 inches,
PM, Central Daylight Time.
black hair, brown eyes,
You are
and
listening
last
to
seen wearing a
All
black
Hazards
shirt,
Radio,
shorts,
the voice
and
of the
red and
National
white
Weather
Jordans
Service,
in connection with their abduction.
KEC55.
Law enforcement
Serving the
officials
Dallas
believe
Fort
this child to be in
area.
grave or immediate danger.
The following reports of weather temperature and wind rate at 7 p.m.
Call the San Marcos Police Department
DFW
at
Airport, light rain 79, 2.70, relative humidity 74%, wind southeast at 17, pressure 29.69 inches and falling. Fort Worth Meacham, cloudy, 78, southeast at 16, gusting to 24. Dallas Love Field, light rain, 81, southeast at 14,
You're listening
gusting
to
to 22.
All Hazards Radio,
Arlington,
the voice of the
partly
National
sunny,
Weather
81,
Service,
southeast
station
at 16,
KEC55,
gusting to 24.
serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening
Cloudy,
area.
78, southeast at
The
12.
following reports of weather
Noah,
temperature and wind were made at 7
79,
p.m.
southeast at 20,
KESW
gusting to
Airport,
30.
light rain,
Elsewhere around the
79,
region,
2.70,
Wichita Falls,
relative humidity
thunder,
74%,
75,
wind
southeast
southeast
at
at
20.
17.